What's up everybody, welcome to the Side Hustler channel. This is a brand new channel which we created specifically to teach our aspiring internet entrepreneurs a few things we learned, as well as learning and trying a few things ourselves. This video is part 5 of this series. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to ensure you see all the videos. Also, go back and check out the previous videos. In this video, we are going to dig into the final editing part of InVideo for our new YouTube channel, and as you may have noticed, we have done a part on InVideo before. However, this time we are spending a bit more time on editing our video. In the description below, I will add a link to InVideo. Use the link for a reduced monthly subscription price, if you dare. So let's get straight into it. First up, I wanted to show you some of the great features InVideo offers you. You may have heard some YouTube gurus say that you can get stock images and photos from Pexels. Well, if you are a paid member of InVideo, you have included access to free and premium content from Shutterstock, Storyblocks, Pixabay, and Pexels. That is quite the awesome deal. I say again, check the description for a referral link to get an additional discount if you are interested in signing up with InVideo. Okay, so we have searched up motivation, and as you can see there are a couple of great templates you could use. But let me scroll further down to the stock pile of stock videos. This is where you will find many gems for your videos. Let's take this sunrise video and see what we can do with it. Once you get into the edit screen, you can see on the right resource panel there are heaps more videos for you to use whenever you need to. If you drag the side of the video to trim it bigger, it can only go as far as the video is long, and thus, simply injects blank space. What do we have here in the extra videos? First, we should replace the mock logo with our own. We can simply upload and add the one we created in the previous videos. And remember to update the image resizing options to avoid that nasty clipping issue. Let's have a look at some of the themed resources. I kind of like this neon badge. Let's add a few of these into the video stream. Additionally, you can see some of the templates included in InVideo. These will come in very handy when it comes to building title pages for our YouTube videos. Okay. I see a video that I am going to add. I think it would fit nicely into the meditation theme we are planning for our video. Now that we have a few ideas for our background, let's have a look at the audio library. There is a huge list of audio you could pick from in here. Let's pick one that fits the mood of the video we want to produce. Something ambient. Let's add it to our video. We can in fact just get rid of all these other resources, and only keep the audio, and the waterfall video. These should work nicely for our video. Okay, let's start putting together this promised video for our new viral channel. Just remember that it is likely that your first video may be of poor standard, but remember you are taking action. Keep uploading consistently, and you will make YouTube happy, and you will build a fan base. I'm going to speed up this part, as it mostly consists of me duplicating the background video and the background music. Now we are going to be adding the text-to-speech which we produced in the previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, go to the channel and go check out the entire series. There are some awesome gems in there. We add the on single audio clip, and trim it to size, then copy and paste the trimmed clip, and simply adjust the trim to the next sentence. I am going to speed through this as well, as it is very monotonous. And don't forget to add the logo into the last page. Now that we have added all the pieces, let's distribute the audio across the video to fill up the 5-minute space, and sound a bit more natural. Excellent, we have done it. Now all we need to do is export the video. I have again sped up the video, so you don't have to fall asleep out of boredom. Next, we will head over to YouTube for the uploading stage. Okay, great. We have made it quite far in this process, and it all comes down to this last step. Log into YouTube, and head on over to your channel studio, and click the upload button. Select your video, which you want to upload, and start the upload. At this point you can start capturing the details while the video uploads. Give the video a useful keyword-rich title which describes the video. Then, for the SEO to work its magic, copy the title into the description as the first line. Add in the rest of a description if you want. Additionally, you can add chapters, just remember to start with 0 o'clock. As a default, we will be picking the Not for Children option as there are some monetization implications for children's videos. Now we can add those tags we have collected in a previous video, and we can add them here for this video. We can pick English as our default language. I have decided to add the entire script to the description as well, as an added value. Additionally, we can add our MailChimp lead capture funnel in here, as we want to explore every opportunity for a call to action. We can get the link from our link tree. I will add the first index for the chapters. As an example, it contributes to YouTube SEO to have your chapters defined. Chapters have to be more than 10 seconds apart. On the next page we have the opportunity to add an end screen and cards. These are very valuable assets, as these not only give you additional opportunity for call to action, but it contributes to SEO as well. We will select the best for viewer option. Let's step back to the previous screen. We need to add this video to playlists. This is another step toward good SEO. Add this video to at least 2 playlists. Now we progress to the cards, and we link the cards to a playlist. That way we introduce the viewer to more of our videos, and encourage them to stay on our channel. Now you can pick a schedule, if you plan on making many videos together, and staggering the release, but for this video we will go public straight out. So, let's go ahead and click the publish button. Congratulations, you have published a YouTube video with some decent SEO. Let's check out the video. It's looking good. Last few things. Click the like button for your own video, and add a call to action pinned comment. And while you are at it, like this video as well. In this case we simply added the MailChimp lead funnel page. That's it. We are done. You are now officially a content creator. Well done. Wow, we have reached the end of this video and this series. Please leave a comment on this video and tell us what you think. If you feel that we may have missed something, please let us know, so we can add it to a future video. And finally, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe to this channel, so you can watch the rest of the videos in this series. Catch you in the next video.